Nature's Dismissal.
Holly Mountain girls are as pretty as the water. Holly Mountain boys are as strong as mountains.
It's so beautiful here.
It is. The tribal village we're going to is very popular. Our neighbors, Mr. Zhang and his family went there last week. He said it's so beautiful and suggested we visit there too.
How beautiful is it? I can't wait to go there.
It should be another 30 minutes.
Oh.
Weird. Why are we stuck here?
Aren't we already at the entrance?
Oh.
What's going on there?
Traffic jam.
Guys, we have closed the road to our village. The development of tourism has damaged our environment, culture, and land. We're protesting. Please show your respect to nature and decrease the harm to our tribal village. Do not drive into the mountains. You may instead take a walk there.
Walk? Are you serious? I have kids and elder people with me. You want us to walk hours into the mountain? That's ridiculous. Nonsense. What's the big deal? I can go somewhere else. There are other tribal villages too.
Dad, what should we do? If we don't drive, it may take more than an hour to walk there.
Since we are here, we might as well walk. Let's take it as exercise. After all, it's their land. We should show our respect.
Oh,
Okay.
As I've said, the road is closed. No driving into the mountains. Only walking is allowed. Nonsense. I'm driving there anyway. Why can't they just learn to show respect? Hello. We'd like to walk into your village. Is that all right with you? You're welcome here as long as you want to walk. By the way, please make sure to keep quiet. Don't talk too loudly, and remember to take any trash back with you when you leave. No problem. We haven't brought food or drinks, but only our camera. So we won't leave any trash. Let's help them. I'll take you to our village.
wow. Look, the flowers are so beautiful. Wow, there are so many fish.
We wouldn't be able to experience the natural beauty as much if we had driven here.
Exactly. Great idea to walk.
In fact, we ask you to walk into our village so you can really enjoy the view and ecosystem in the mountains, rather than just pass by. Those tourists are angry because we closed the road and they yell at us. I can understand that, but what they don't know is, since our village opened up for tourists, there are hundreds of cars driving up and over 1,000 tourists arrive every day. Cars and crowds make our people suffer from trash and traffic jams, plus air and noise pollution. We really cannot stand it anymore. We'd like to share our tribe with others, but to heal our land, we hope to control the number of tourists. We won't sacrifice our valuable nature and quality of life for tourism. The land and nature is our mother. Now, I know you wouldn't sell your mother for money, and neither will we.
Huh?
This This is my mother. She is very hospitable and a great cook. You are welcome to try our dishes. We grow our own vegetables without pesticides.
Good idea. I'm so hungry.
I'll show you our secret scenic spot after lunch so you can really explore and enjoy the beauty of our tribe.
That's wonderful.
This is such a wonderful trip.
True.
People like to say that they love nature, but what they actually do is harmful to the environment. Just like our tribal village trip this time, many tourists didn't respect local culture and nature. But we are guests of the tribe, so we should be humble and respectful. If you truly love nature, you would protect it and respect it. You will never hurt it out of greed.